Kaspa is exploding all the way to the upside. Look at it right here. Explosion on Kaspa, and this movement is going to continue, and I'm going to show you why in this very video. Notwithstanding, Kraken just listed Kaspa on their platform. Look at this very news right here, and more reason why Kaspa is pumping all the way to the upside. Kaspa flashed bullish sign ahead of Kraken listing, and the listing have already happened already. That was yesterday, and this token is going all the way to the upside. Remember, Binance, Coinbase, and crypto.com already in the pipeline, which means more pump in the coming days, coming right now, especially in the heat of the bull market in 2025. So in this video, let's discuss all about this very insane explosion on Kaspa and what you need to know about this very token. All of this in this video. Watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come to coin market cap, there is a huge news right here. Kaspa eyes key breakout ahead of Kraken listing. Now, this listing have already happened. This news was 22 hours ago, and the news have already gone down. Remember, you buy the rumor and you sell the news. That means people that got this very rumor, let's say 5-6 days ago, already bought, and then market move all the way to the upside, and they are already in massive profit. Now it's time to sell off for the market to come back to the downside. You can see right here, there's a little rejection at this very point, which means market have capacity of coming back down a little bit before the next pump all the way to the upside. Remember, Coinbase, Binance, crypto.com, or in the pipeline, they are going to list Kaspa in the near future. Nobody knows the exact date. Kaspa have 25.18 billion token total supply, which is equal circulating supply right now. And if you notice, the market capitalization of Kaspa is $4 billion. This is very, very huge. And there are other listings right here. If you come to market and come to SEX, you discover exchanges like Bybit, BitGet, Kraken right now. We just got the listing. KuCoin, Gate.io, BIMX, MEXC, BitMax, and then LBank, xt.com. All of these exchanges now have Kaspa. You can buy Kaspa on any of these exchanges at the moment, okay, on SEX, which is very, very simple. Kaspa is going to still move all the way to the upside. I believe that strongly. If you go down a little bit to the 1 week chart, because the 1 week chart gives us a very, very strong outlook and a very long-term projection. Look at what happened in the past on Kaspa. Right at this very point, market move all the way from here to this very point. Impulse, we have retracement right here. The market move again, impulse, we have retracement at this very point. Market move again, impulse, and then we have retracement. Market have started the movement again right now. Do you think market is going to move upward? In my personal opinion, I think the answer is yes, 100% yes. Once we see that breakout of this very level of important resistance, market is going to pump all the way to the upside. Not only that, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, discover what has happened in the past on this very price action. You discover that anytime market enter into oversold condition, market pump afterward. Look at it here. Market retrace right here, enter into oversold condition at this very point, and then pump upward. This very move happen. Then it retrace again, enter into oversold condition, and then it pump all the way to the upside, and market move upward. It retrace again, enter into oversold condition, and right now this is just starting. If you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, it has already crossed the 20% line at this very point, and there is a dilation between the blue line and the orange line, which means market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside, approaching the overbought condition. Notwithstanding, if you look at it again, market is still very low right now. In my opinion, the best time to buy Kaspa is when it is very, very low at the moment, because that massive explosion is going to come right in. And like I said earlier, Kaspa is not on Binance yet, it's not on Coinbase, it's not on crypto.com. These exchanges have massive, massive volume, and their user base is very, very huge, that will give this very token a high liquidity, and the market is going to move all the way to the upside. If you look at the MACD indicator, you discover that the MACD indicator is gradually losing momentum to the positive side of the MACD. Look at it here. Momentum is gradually reducing at this very point, and the reduced momentum in this scenario means that very soon the histogram will start formation on the positive side of the MACD, which means it is a bullish sign for this very token to move all the way to the upside. So what you need to do right now is to consider getting Kaspa into your portfolio. For me, Kaspa is one of the best layer one crypto for this very bull market. Is going to explode all the way to the upside. And the reason why you don't need to put all your money in meme coin is because if market begin to drop all the way to the downside for retracement, they are very, very sporadic. Okay, meme coin can drop all the way to the downside aggressively, but layer one crypto will drop gradually. Okay, and this is very important, so it will not cause your portfolio to deplete immediately or to go down drastically. Rather, if all coins are going down, you will see meme token crashing all the way to the downside, while layer 1 and layer 2 crypto will be going down gradually, especially for Kaspa, which is a layer 1 coin. So get some Kaspa into your portfolio right now. And we've not seen that Binance and Coinbase and crypto.com listing, which is coming in the near future, which is going to make this very coin to explode all the way to the upside. And finally, if you look at the 1-day chart, it is clear that the markets have moved significantly from this very point all the way to the upside. So markets move from here upward, and then retracement is a possibility right now before continuation to the upside on the 1-day chart. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. If you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, if you look at it, market is going to come down, especially when we see a crossover between the blue line and the orange line right here, coming back down to the downside for another buy opportunity for the market to move upward. Remember, on the 1-week chart, market is very, very bullish right now. So even though we see a retracement on the 1-day chart, that does not mean market is going to come all the way back to the downside. Okay, the possibility is there, but that is not what you should be looking at right now. Look at just a little retracement and then continuation all the way to the upside in line with the 1-week chart. This is very important. Look at it here. This very information of listing of Kaspa on Kraken is a game changer, which means Binance listing is going to come in the future, Coinbase listing is going to come as well, and crypto.com listing is going to come as well. Every other listing is in the pipeline, and I can tell you Kaspa is one of your best crypto in this very bull market. Get some Kaspa into your portfolio from any of these exchanges of your choice. This is very, very important and interesting update for Kaspa. More pump coming on board as we approach the heat of the bull market in 2025. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto update. Thanks for watching.